Hello guys, this is another free tool. It is called a Shopify email signature generator. And first of all, some of you might not know what is an email signature generator. Using this, you can put beautiful signatures at the end of your email, like your name and what you do. And your department, your post, your company, and some discount code can also be given in this way. And this free tool creates a lot of signatures like this one. You can simply copy-paste these signatures into your email client like Gmail, Outlook, or Thunderbolt. Or any other. Even in Shopify notification email, you can add this. I have included all the steps and verified that it is working. And here, let me show you one by one what these buttons do. Let's say I choose this template. In this template, you go to Details, you enter your name. Currently, my Maya Chen is entered. And you can change this. You can also add a custom field like working hours, 9 to 5. And you can enter store URL, you can enter support email, you can enter some return policy, and some order URL. It depends on what you do at your company. Let's say you are handling customer care, so for that, you will be including a return URL. You can also enter your social media URL. For example here, TikTok and YouTube URL is included. And let's say you want to include LinkedIn. You can add LinkedIn as soon as you complete. It will be given here. And in the email, whenever you send an email, there will be a LinkedIn email included there. And then you can change these images. Here you will be uploading the URL of the image profile picture. And please note that you have to put, first of all, your profile picture at some platform like Google Drive. And you have to make it readable. And one thing I have noticed that when I try to put my LinkedIn profile image or Twitter profile image, it was banned by Twitter or LinkedIn because they don't want their asset to be scraped by non-browser actors. So try to put your URL posted at some place which can be read publicly, like Google Drive. And here you can also put GIF, and this will create a beautiful video-like animation. And this is good. And you can also change the font, and you can make the font size bigger and smaller. I have not given much of the option because when I tried to do that, it was introducing word wrapping and everything was getting more complex. You can also change the theme color, and that can bring some branding. And these are different templates. You got different input fields. And as you can see, there is also some animation in this logo. But one thing I have noticed is that some email client like Gmail, they don't offer this CSS animation. But others allow that. So you have to test it yourself where it works. But nonetheless, it was also a good experience for Gmail. And here I have given you what you have to do. Like in the Gmail, you have to click over this link. And on clicking that, it will take you into Settings at General tab. Or you can go to Settings, then General, and then Signature. And then you paste this copied item into that place. I have included a detailed instruction here, like first go to the setting, then go to the General tab, and then enter the new signature, and then copy paste here, and then hit Save button. Similarly, I have also included the settings and how to put that signature into Outlook. And most important of all, you can do the same in the Shopify email as well. But the things are a little bit different. You have to modify here liquid templates. Simply you open these templates by following this link, or simply go to Settings, then Notification and Customer Notification. As you can see, there are plenty of templates. You just click on one and then go to the template and edit them. Simply find the body tag and paste this HTML into this liquid code above the body tag. And when you are done, you can simply click the button and each email will have this beautiful email signature. And if you are not happy, you can always revert it to default. This is a nice feature in the Shopify. And the other tips and rules. And let's say you want to add the YouTube account, but you don't have Instagram account. You can also do that. Just select a template and go to the details and remove the Instagram account. And add a YouTube link. See, as soon as I enter into it, it is populated. And depending upon your client, just copy one of these three here. By the way, I am building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.